What if I told you the app you scroll every day is slowly changing how your brain thinks? It affects your focus, your confidence, your happiness, and most people never notice it happening. Why social media is addictive. Every like, comment, and notification releases dopamine in your brain. Dopamine doesn't make you happy. It makes you want more. That's why you open apps without thinking. Your brain has learned the habit, not because you're weak, but because it was designed this way. Short videos and attention span. Fast videos train your brain to expect instant stimulation. Over time, long videos feel boring. Reading feels difficult. Silence feels uncomfortable. Psychologists call this attention fragmentation. Your focus isn't gone. It's just being pulled in too many directions. Comparison and self-esteem. Social media shows you highlights, not reality. Your brain compares your real life to someone else's edited moments. This creates low self-esteem, constant dissatisfaction, feeling not enough, even when your life is actually fine, anxiety and overthinking. Endless scrolling keeps your mind alert. Bad news, arguments, perfect lives. Your nervous system never rests. That's why you feel tired, even when you've done nothing all day. The validation trap, slowly become emotional rewards. Your brain starts tying self-worth to numbers on a screen. When engagement drops, confidence drops too. This is how external validation replaces inner confidence. How to protect your mind. You don't need to quit social media. You need to use it consciously. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Don't scroll right after waking up. Follow content that adds value. Take regular breaks. Your brain needs silence to reset itself. Social media didn't steal your attention. It only showed how valuable it is. The real question is, who controls your mind, you or your screen?